Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to chat with eBay customer service. So first of all, you need to launch your eBay website. So go to ebay.com or whatever website that you are on eBay or whatever page, and in the top right here, you will find this small menu. It is very small and tiny that you can barely see it. Click here on the help and contact, and as you can see I am here on the customer service. Now there is some suggestions, like the customer service is not always available for you to talk to as in person. So here they have some, for example, some solutions for you, which is you could search for your problem and you will find a solution, or you may be finding a solution for that problem. In case you searched in here and you didn't find an article talking about the problem that you are facing and solving it, then you will pass to the next stage, which is talking to the customer support. It's pretty simple. You can have here, as you can see, contact us, or basically report an item or stuff like that, which is basically by emailing them. But generally, this is where you will be talking to them, is by clicking on contact us, and basically here fill these information with all the necessary things so they can take you to the right department, which will help you fully and will have the access exactly to the specific topic that you will need help with. So this is very important thing. For example, if you are a buyer, do not choose this setting option, since this, like, you are going to talk to a person who's only responsible for sellers. So this is what I mean with choosing the right option. And yeah guys, that was it. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.